China is definitely one of our top priorities in terms of growth for Kraft Heinz globally. It's one of the top markets that we have been investing to grow and develop our business. We see many opportunities. We see in China opportunities that are the increase or the improvement of the mid-class income levels, urbanization. Those are trends that are bringing for our industry, the food industry, opportunities to develop and grow.
Something that stands out for me in Guangzhou and also with the Greater Bay Area is it's got a very active startup ecosystem. So you have a lot of policies to support especially these fast-growing industries like AI and semiconductors, and then also new energy related, but also biotech. You've also got a number of investors out here, and I suppose that's the message is, Guangzhou is committed by the sounds of things to promoting these fast-growing industries. Clearly, if you're going to embrace the future, you need to embrace the future fast-growing industries.